Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M11 and let me show you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and enter the settings. Now let's tap on sounds and vibration, and as you can see here we've got the whole ringtone section. We can change it for calls, this is the first option, and for notifications. So let me pick for example the calls. Now you can choose the SIM card for which you want to change the ringtones, so let me pick the first one for example. And as you can see here we've got the full list of defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. And what's more, we can add our own, so let's tap on this plus icon. And if you will have any compatible files, they will appear right here on this list and you will be able to choose them simply by tapping on them. But let me get back and let me choose something from this list. As you can see here we've got the silent option, so it means that after tapping on it and marking it, your device will never announce you any calls. And under it we've got a lot of options to choose from. If you want to listen how the particular one sounds, then simply tap on it and you can hear it. And if you are happy with your choice, then tap on the one you want to use, for example this one, make sure that it is marked, just like here, and get back. And as you can see, it is immediately applied to our SIM card. Now let's get back and let's choose notification sounds, simply tap on it. Here you can also choose the SIM card, so let me pick the first one. And here we've got the list of the notification sounds, so let's tap on it in order to listen. And if you are ready and happy with your choice, then mark it and get back. And as you can see, it is also immediately applied. So that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your Samsung Galaxy M11. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.